Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आपाचे वेंजीन चर्चिलाक एज्युकेशनाचेर डिबेटीक चॅलेंज दिल्या उपरांत बुधवारा राती चर्चिल आनी वेंजीचे डिबेटीचे बॅनर बाणावले लागपाक लागले. चर्चिलाच्या पुताचे नजरेक बॅनर पडले आनी थंय दोगांचेय वाजले. प्रकरण पुलिसां मेरेन पावले. आप म्हणटा आमी बॅनर लायला, कितें चुकलां आसत जाल्यार विरोध करतल्यांनी कायद्यान जाप दिवपाची. केस्तांवां कित्याक?
वॉरन थिंगाच वॉरन येवन आमकां अटॅक करपाक लागलो. पयलीं आल्बनान अटॅक केलो, तेजे फाटल्यान म्हाका अटॅक केलो. मुगे अशें हिंग मातशें लागोलां आनी हो हात दुखोता.
See, the banners have been put regarding the debate. There is a debate that has been put out, a request has been put out regarding the education policy, the education system in Benavlin. And that lagon debate lagon the banner gaile. That debate is happening.
To have a debate with Chachir.
Yeah, that is what has been put out. We have put out. We want to have a debate with him. We have requested for a debate in open public. Elections that is happening now. So banner, anybody can put up a banner.
When we went to the next spot to put Savio and Warren, both of them, they came, they blocked us and immediately assaulted Alban and Neri. I was behind them. So as I was behind them, Savio saw me and he pulled my phone from my hand and but he did not touch me, but they assaulted them.
तुमचे समज मुद्दो असा that it is wrong to put banners, okay, or if you have not taken permissions to put the banners, कायदो तुम्ही हातीन घेनाका.
चर्चिलाचो पुतण्यो आनी पूत म्हणटात तांणी कोणाक हात पुसून लायिल्लो ना.
See, we were following them. They put at two places, they put a banner. At the third place when they put, we stopped them and we asked them, why you all are doing this? Do you all have permission? We were shocked to see the banner didn't have an AAP symbol. But the AAP ZP member along with their main workers were putting this banner. They didn't take permission of our local MLA, of our leader. I went to stop this to have with what would happen. They confronted me, they attacked me. You can see this.
So me and my brother were going. We saw these guys putting banners of my dad with Venzi. And I knew they didn't have permission. So we asked them, we confronted them saying, Baba, you all have permission? They said no. So I said, you all remove it. Come. And meantime, before the police coming, I don't know what happened. Maybe they were trying to escape or what it was. I really don't know. And in meantime, they now, Venzi is saying we assaulted the 3 boys.
आपलो फोटो आपाचे बॅनरार लावंक कोणे परमिशन दिले काय म्हूण चर्चिल तापलो.
तुम्ही पंचायताक परमिशन गेला, तुम्ही पुलिसांक परमिशन गेला, तुम्ही मुखार परमिशन गेला. कित्याक मुगेल फोटो तुगेल पार्टी बॅनराचेर मारपाक तुका अधिकार ना. आनी अधिकार आसा जाल्यार म्हाका स्वतःक कोणें सांगचें. मुगे बॅनर मुगे फोटो तुगे पार्टी बॅनराचेर कित्याक कारण नाही. इलेक्शनाक लोकांक भिवून इलेक्शन करपाक सोदता.
वेंजी बरोबर डिबेट करूंक तो कोण काय म्हूण चर्चिलाचो प्रश्न.
हांव जेन्ना एक कोण मनीस तरी समज कितें कारण तेका डिबेट कितें तें डिबेट म्हणजे मिनींग कितें कित्याक तो कितें केला कोण तो कोण एक 5 मेलेक जाला केन्ना की एक समज तूं म्हाका सांग म्हज्यान कोण मेंटल मनशाक डिबेट करपाक जाता.
आप म्हणटा हरकत आशिल्ली जाल्यार कायद्यान जाप दिवपाची. भुरग्यांचेर हात कित्याक घालो?
When we went to the police station, even the police was so rude with us, treated us as if we were the criminals. Okay, it shows what kind of a government is this.
राती कळे काली हे गाडी गेलेले आणि रस्त्याचे रॉंग सायडी आमकां बायकाचे आसतना आडायले. सो आमी ते भायर येयले आनी आमकां अटॅक करूं लागले. सो आमी काय केलो, हांवें जायतो डिफेन्स केलो. पूण कायदो हांवें हाती घेवना. पूण कायदो तेम गेलो. पूण हेजे रिकॉर्डार तेम कायदो हाती घेवपाक जाता.
म्हाकाय तेमी गाडयेर घालून म्हजी गमटेक धरल्या. ओके, सो हांव म्हजे सगळे बाणावलकारांक, कुलेकारांक आनी सगळे गांवचे उलो मारता. हें झूज आज स्टार्ट जावंक ना. आमी जेन्ना 2016 हें झूज स्टार्ट केल्लें, पॉलिटिकल झूज, इट्स नॉट अ वायलंट फायट. सो म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी हात जोडून आम आदमी पार्टी फुडें घालून आख्खे आमचो गोंयचो एड्युकेशन आनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पण सगळे संदर्भ चेंज करूया.
I am not scared to lose one son because I want to tell the youth, let's all wake up. This is the time when all the youth should get up and come forward, because if we stand together and we can throw this gunda out and throw all the gundagiri and all this mafia people out and work for Goa and Benaulim and save our place.
तुक जरी तर दिसता परमिशन हुंय घेवपा जाय आसलें, आनी तें गेलें ना कितें करूं जाय आसलें भुरग्यांक आंगार हात घालपाचो गुंडागिरी करपा जाय करूं जाय आसलो तें कोराय मरे तूं आतां भुरग्यांक आंगार हात घालून कितें करूं सोदता तूं भिवपा सोदिता हिंग प्रॉब्लम इज बॅनरा प्रॉब्लम कांयच ना हिंग प्रॉब्लम भिवपाचो कित्याक तुका जर इश्यू आहलो फोटो घालपाक तुका जर इश्यू आहलो परमिशनाचो जाल्यार तो इश्यू रेलिवंट ऑथॉरिटी बरी वचून तुज्यान सॉल्व करूंक जाता आसलो
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.